Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nulink token. Ticker symbol is NLK. Now this token has a huge Twitter following. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. 145,900 Twitter followers, gold verified checkmark, 675 tweets. This is a very well established project. And they are getting a bunch of brand new big central exchange listings coming up as well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So their Twitter is @Nulink_. Over there you can find their Discord group, which is right there, and their webpage, nulink.org. Once you go to nulink.org, there's going to be an insane amount of links at the top of the webpage. You'll be able to click on anything you want. And in their tweets here, they have a recent tweet talking about the new IDO project ready for launch on Bybit WEB3. So this is one way you can get the token. Started May 9th, so 2 days ago. It goes all the way till May 13th for the subscription event. You could check that out there. I did see also on Kucoin. Kucoin recently tweeted out here, Nulink NLK is available on Burning Drop. Stake KCEX to subscribe. Burn KCEX to mine more NLK airdrop. Subscription period is also until May 13th as well. And then after that, after the IDO and after this on Kucoin here, they are going to start getting some central exchange listings. Most likely on Bybit, Kucoin, maybe Gate. And then you'll be able to get it off some decentralized exchanges as well. But you're going to have to basically, it's a brand new token. Follow their Twitter right here for more announcements. Join the Discord group as well if you want to learn more. And then if you want to learn all of the information about this project, they have a full white paper, or you could go to their documents at docs.nulink.org. So Nulink is, as a Web3 based ZK probable data privacy solution for dApps, is revolutionizing the landscape of decentralized applications. This cutting-edge platform empowers application developers with a comprehensive suite of security and privacy features meticulously designed to adhere to industry best practices. The Nulink technology platform is a fusion of a robust blockchain foundation access control mechanisms and secure computation protocols. This technical foundation establishes Nulink as an integral and indispensable solution for data sharing and computation services, particularly tailored to the realm of preserving data privacy. So the solution, data availability. At our core, we are committed to safeguarding data privacy. One of our primary objectives is to address the issue of data availability, which is typically divided into two parts. Firstly, we strive to provide consumers with the means to ascertain that the seller has the required data before making a request. Secondly, we aim to establish a mechanism for verifying the authenticity of the data in the encrypted form. Within the Nulink network, zero-knowledge proof is used to ensure that all functional nodes, including storage nodes, computing nodes, and proxy nodes, have publicly verifiable data processing and computing operations. And at the same time, prior to authorizing data access, the data owner is required to present a zero-knowledge proof. This proof verifies that the encrypted data is aligned with the plain text counterpart, irrespective of the encryption scheme being used. This approach endows Nulink network with enhanced flexibility. Data sharing, an additional challenge we need to address is how to maintain data security during transmission to other parties. Specifically, we must ensure that data remains uncompromised during transmission and that it's only accessible to authorized individuals approved by the data owner. Nulink addresses these challenges by leveraging proxy re-encryption, identity-based encryption, and attribute-based encryption. Initially, data is encrypted at the user end, and access to the data is granted to authorized parties using the PRE, IBE, and ABE algorithms. Receivers can then decrypt the data using the private key as appropriate. Through this process, only the data owner and authorized parties can access original data, ensuring its confidentiality and security. The last issue we are trying to address is the privacy concerns related to data computation. In certain scenarios involving edge computing or machine learning, the individual who owns the data may only wish to grant access for computing purposes on the specific model. As a result, the authorized party would only receive the computed result and not the original data set. Nulink will utilize FHE technology to enable privacy-preserving data computation. This approach leverages the unique proprietary fully homomorphic encryption, which enables calculations to be performed on ciphertexts. Initially, the data set will be encrypted and transmitted to the computing providers. The computing providers will then execute the desired computation, such as prediction model for machine learning. Ultimately, the encrypted result will be returned to the authorized party for decryption. So the architecture, the Nulink network integrates the application layer, the cryptography layer, the storage layer, and the blockchain layer, and the watcher network. So they have the application layer, they go over that in more detail, storage layer, blockchain layer, the watcher network, and the cryptograph layer. You can read all about that. They also have a big roadmap starting with initial Nulink project, and then deliver Nulink Polkadot palette and launch Polkadot watcher node, Nulink core library v1 release Nulink agent plugin and Nulink data sharing front end, launch Nulink's testnet Horus 1.0 and BNB smart contract, Nulink core library v2 release, API library release, testnet Horus 2.0, testnet updates, and then we got the mainnet launch, zero knowledge proof system integration, and then the fully homomorphic encryption integration. So tons of info though on their document section if you want to learn more. Talks about the Nulink for stakers, for Dapp builders, for users, the Horus testnet. You can learn all about this whole project here at docs.nulink.org, and you'll be able to find this token on Kucoin and Bybit. Just follow Bybit's, go over to Bybit's Twitter, at Bybit_Web3. They talk about this there. And on Kucoin's Twitter as well, at KucoinCom. So you'll be able to see the stake to get NLK airdrops on Kucoin, and then the IDO, the initial DEX offering on Bybit Web3. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.